Well, today we're on the Central Coast. We're in San Luis Obispo enjoying the beautiful weather. We're at C.L. Smith Elementary School, and today we're here to... Well, today we're at C.L. Smith Elementary School in San Luis Obispo, and I've got the hardest working sixth grader, Matthias. You ready?
Of course.
I've got a wonderful problem for you.
Wonderful.
All right, here we go. You drink a lot of coffee?
No.
Good, you don't need to yet.
Yay.
Coffee and donut. You like donuts?
Yes.
So do I. Coffee and donut costs $3.10.
Mm-hmm.
If we get a donut and a milk, it's going to cost $3.60.
Mm-hmm.
If we get a coffee, a donut, and a milk, it's going to cost $5.35.
Okay.
I would like you to find out how much the milk is. So using all of this information, how do you think we can go about doing this?
Well, we can do subtraction. That much I know.
Okay.
So, I think if we do it like this minus 3 and don't have anything to subtract from there, so it's 5. 3 minus 1 equals 2. A little dot for fanciness. 5 minus 3, is 2. So now we have reason to believe that the milk is $2.25.
Now you said you put the decimal point there for fanciness. Why is it really there?
So that we can divide the actual dollars from the cents.
Right. Okay, so that's why it's there. I mean, it may look nice and fancy, but it is there for a specific reason. Okay. So you're saying that the milk is going to cost $2.25. Mm-hmm. So let's go ahead and take a look at the models that we have here. We know that coffee and donut is $3.10. The donut and the milk is $3.60. Now, if the donut and the milk are $3.60, we know that the coffee, you're saying, is $2.25.
Mm-hmm.
Right? How can you check to make sure that that works?
We could check back on our work.
Well, we could. All right, so look, you're saying milk is 2 1/4, right? So if this is $2.25, how much is the donut? Can you figure that out?
Yes.
How would you figure it out?
And then 2 minus 1 equals 1.
All right, so we're going to say the coffee is $1.75. So we have all three of our prices down here, and we want to make sure that your milk is the correct number. So if we add all of these up, what should we get?
$5.35.
All right, so let's go ahead and add them all up. $1.75
$1.75
plus $1.35
$1.35
and $2.25.
$2.25.
And we're going to add all of those up.
So 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15, but we can't put 15 here, so we will put 5, and then we will put the 10 up.
Very nice.
So 1 plus 7 equals 8. 8 plus 3 equals 11, and 11 plus 2 equals 13.
Okay.
Again, we can't write 13 here, so we will do that. So, the decimal. We will do 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2, which equals 5.
And it did come out to be $5.35, didn't it? Mm-hmm. So what was the cost of the milk?
The cost of the milk, just so it's here, the cost of the milk was $2.25.
Right, which is what you originally had, but just in order to make sure, this is how we go about it to check it and make sure that you were right. Mm-hmm. That wasn't too hard of a problem, was it?
It was pretty fun.
But we got through it.
Mm-hmm.
Nicely done, Matthias. Way to go.